Hey there, sewing enthusiasts. Welcome back to Salika Mag, your go-to channel for all things sewing. Today, I've got some amazing tips and tricks to make your sewing projects a breeze. So, grab your sewing machine, and let's get started. I hope you found these helpful and that they make your sewing projects even more enjoyable. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell, so you never miss any of future sewing adventures. Thanks for watching Salika Mag. With these easy tips and tricks you can change your sewing game. With easy sewing hacks your sewing journey could be more enjoyable. If you are a beginner or even on advanced levels, these tips are very useful. So watch carefully and don't skip video. When I'm not engaged in sewing, crafting, and needlework, one of my cherished pastimes on the Salika Mag channel is gathering an assortment of sewing tips, tricks, and techniques suitable for various skill levels. Sewing, as we all know, can be challenging even for experienced sewists. That's why I've compiled a list of my top recommendations to help both beginners and professionals make the most of this endlessly rewarding skill. Take a look and discover. If you are absolute beginner, please check my free dressmaking course, specially designed for beginners, and learn step-by-step dressmaking. From body measurements to pattern making, cutting and stitching. Don't forget to subscribe for more tutorial. Let me introduce myself. I am your sewing instructor Sarah. I have 3 years of diploma and 11 plus years of teaching experience of these skill. Pattern making and sewing is something that I am teaching to my students from different nationalities. I believe that everyone can learn to sew. That's why I always provide one-to-one lessons, so one can learn on their own pace. If you are interested in Zoom classes, you can contact me for more details. Please share this video. Sharing is caring. Share so others can learn too. Hope you found these tips and tricks helpful. Let me know in comments if you want to learn more tips and tricks. Or anything you want to learn, feel free to ask. I would be happy to help you. Let me know in comments from which part of the world you are watching my video. Currently I am living in United Arab Emirates. Visit my channel to watch. Hey there, sewing enthusiasts. Welcome back to Salika Mag, your go-to channel for all things sewing. Today, I've got some amazing tips and tricks to make your sewing projects a breeze. So, grab your sewing machine, and let's get started. I hope you found these helpful and that they make your sewing projects even more enjoyable. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell, so you never miss any of future sewing adventures. Thanks for watching Salika Mag. Hi sewing lovers, so this dress is too fit from waistline. Let's fix this. First I am gonna cut this from hemline and then from center. By the way, if you are first time on Salika Mag, don't forget to subscribe and hit like for more sewing tutorials. Now I am gonna attach these pieces with center of this dress. After sewing I thought to add buttons. But then I realized that this is still too fitted. So I decided to add a panel. In this way you can fix your wrong-sized dresses. To add center panel I am gonna stitch a black piece of fabric. You can add any color to give your dress a new design. I am sure my daughter will love this dress now, as she don't like fitted dresses. I hope today you learned something new. I hope you found these helpful and that they make your sewing projects even more enjoyable.